Philly cheesesteak. Last one. Look at that. Homemade with Steakummmm and Swiss cheese. And mayonnaise and onion, green pepper, just a tiny dash of seasoning. What you talking about? That was incredibly good. Like, okay, back into the video. Sorry I didn't do a proper intro. This is literally the first thing that I ate all day long today, and it's like 4 o'clock in the evening, and I'm hungry, very hungry, and this is very good. Instead of going to pick up some food, I just cooked at home some Steakummmm on a hot dog bun, and it's good. This is slapping, y'all. My baby back here cutting up. I just need time. I'm just trying to enjoy my food, y'all. A lot of green peppers. I love to cook. I love to cook homemade food versus like going out to eat sometimes, because sometimes people just don't season their food the right way for me. And this literally only took like 10 minutes. Baby like it too. Want some more? You gotta give me the chip. You gotta give me the chip if you want this. Whew. This was my second one. I'm getting full. I'm satisfied for sure off of that. And the vegetables still got a little bit of crunch to it. I put some mayo on there. So it's like sweet and savory a little bit. The hot dog buns, it ain't as much bread as a traditional sub bun. My baby tearing this stuff up too. She like it too. You're so silly. Oop. I can't wait to make this video update for y'all. My baby birthday coming up. My baby about to be one. My baby about to be one. Say, I'm about to be one. I'm about to be one. Say, I'm about to be one. I'm about to be one. Alright, y'all. I done finished my food. So I done finished my food. How's that? It's over with. It was good. I hope y'all enjoy watching me as much as I enjoy eating it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to make as many videos as I can. I don't know. I feel like this is like a virtual diary, and talking to y'all, having an outlet on here will also give me an outlet like mentally in real life, because I don't have friends. I don't. I choose not to have friends. People want to be my friend, but I just have like really bad trust issues. Like even, you know, within my inner circle sometimes. Even within myself. I don't know. I'm working it out, y'all. Bear with me. Hang in there with me, and I promise you won't regret it. I promise I'm going to come back with the content next time. It's going to be another banger. Thank you so much for watching. It's been LovLee Creations, LovLee Lisa. I enjoyed my Philly cheesesteak. It was delicious. I shared it with my baby. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is not a vlog, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off right here. Peace.